Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling only what's publicly visible. This protects you legally and ethically. Collect posts, comments, follower lists, timestamps, and any geotags so you can see patterns. Once done, export screenshots and create a dated log that shows context. This helps later reporting or legal steps. Make sure to avoid guessing or confrontations. Stick to facts. This step reveals whether the account behavior is repetitive or tied to known profiles, and it gives you a defensible basis for next actions. Now you perform benign, non-invasive checks to find connections and patterns. Look at mutual followers and public interactions to see if the account repeatedly engages with the same people. That often indicates a social circle. Use reverse image search on photos that are publicly posted to find reused images elsewhere. Also note posting times, language quirks, and repeated phrases. These behavioral signals explain how the account operates and can point to legitimate investigative routes. Finish by taking formal, lawful steps. Submit reports through Instagram's built-in abuse and impersonation forms, attaching your documented evidence. If the account has issued threats, doxed you, or committed other crimes, make sure you escalate to local law enforcement and provide your log and screenshots. This is how identity investigations proceed legally. If results stall, consult an attorney to learn whether subpoenas or formal discovery are appropriate. Troubleshooting tip: if platforms ignore reports, keep precise records and seek legal advice rather than taking direct, invasive action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.